morning students. Today we will start exercise 2.3. In this exercise we have to find the value of following equations, and also we have to check our answers. So I am taking first question. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. This is same as it is question solved in we solved in exercise 2.1. So we have to separate the variable and non-variable term in this. So 3x minus 2x equal to 18, because 2x is a variable term, then we have to transpose it into LHS, then it will change this sign into minus. So value of x, that means 3x minus 2x equal to x equal to 18. So value of x is 18. Now this is our answer. Now we have to check the answer. So answer, or we can write their verification. How can we check the answer? Our answer is 18, so we have to put the value of x in our equation. So LHS equal to 3x, that means 3 multiplied by 18 equal to 54. 18 3 is 54. I putting x equal to 18 in our equation, then we will get LHS value is 54. And RHS, what is RHS? 2x plus 18. So putting the value of x from there, so 2 multiplied by 18 plus 18 equal to 54. Sorry, then 2x, 2 into 18, that means 36 plus 18. So value of this is 54. So our LHS and RHS both are the equal for this value of x. Then our answer is, therefore our answer is correct. Similarly, you can do question number second, third, fourth, fifth. I am doing question number 6, which is different one. So question number 6 is, in question number 6 there is 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. So we have to solve this and have to find the value of x. Then 8x plus 4 equal to, there is bracket, so we have to open this bracket by multiplying 3 multiplied by x, that means 3x, and 3 multiplied by minus 1, that means minus 3 plus 7. I am writing 7 as it is. Now since there is 8x and there is 3x, these two are the variable terms, so we have to separate these in one side. So 8x minus 3x, because there is the plus 3x, so if we transpose this 3x, we will get minus 3x. Now remaining terms are constants, so I am writing as it is all the remaining terms. Then there will be plus 4, it will be transposed into left hand side to right hand side, then it will be minus 4. Now value of x from there is 8x minus 3x, that means 5x, equal to minus 3 plus 7 equal to plus 4 minus 4, that means 0, that means 5x equal to 0. If you solve this, you will get 0. Now value of x, that means if we 5 is multiplying with x, then if we divide 5 with 0 by 5, then it will be 0. Then value of x equal to 0. So we have to check our answer, that our answer is correct or not. So we can write there verification of answer. How can verify the answer? Then we have to put the value of x in our equation. Then LHS equal to 8x plus 4. So there will be 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4. Then 8 zeros are 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. And RHS is 3x minus 1 plus 7, that means 3x, that means 0 minus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 3 into minus 1, because 0 minus 1 equal to 0, minus 1. So we will solve this by 3 minus 3 plus 7. So our answer is 4. That means this 4 and this 4 both are equal, so our LHS and RHS both are the equal. So we can write there, here LHS is equal to RHS, therefore our answer is correct. Similarly, you can do question number 7. I'm solving the tough one, question number 8, which is tough one. So question number 8 is there. So question number 8 is this. In this question we have two term which is variable term, so we have to separate these two terms. So there will be 2x upon 3 and there is 7x upon 15. So we shifting minus 7x upon 15 because there is the plus sign and we have to shifting it. That means we have to putting minus sign in the front of this. So there will be 3 which is in plus sign and minus 1 because there will be there is plus 1 and it became minus 1. Now we have to solve this. Then the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So we multiply divide 15 by 3, then we will get 5. So multiply 2x by 5 and again there will be minus sign because there is the minus sign, so I putting there minus sign. Now 15 is there and 15 is also there. 15 divided by 15 equal to 1. So we have to multiply 7x by 1, 7x by 1. Then we will get 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Now 2x multiplied by 5, that means 10x minus 7x because 7x multiplied by 1 equal to 7x upon 15 which is equal to 2. Now I am solving this there, which is equal implies that 10x minus 7x, 10x minus 7x equal to 3x upon 10 which is equal to 2, sorry, which is equal to 2, but there will be 15, there is 15. Now we have to finding the value of we have to find the value of 3x in this equation. So I am writing that 3x and 15 is multiplying, then we have to do cross multiply 15 by 2. So we have 3x equal to 30. Now value of x equal to 30 divided by 3 because 3 is multiplying there, and if we divide if we transpose it, it will be divide. Now value of x from there we can easily find 10. That means value of x is 10. Now we have to verify that our answer is correct or not correct. That means we have to put this value of x in above equation in LHS and RHS, both the places. If both are same, then our answer will be correct. Now I'm checking this. So LHS equal to, what is the LHS? 2x upon 3 plus 1 and value of x is 10. So I'm putting the value of x which is 10 plus 1 equal to 2 into 10, that means 20 upon 3 plus 1. Now take LCM, there will be 3 and 20 plus 3 because 3 is there, so we multiply this. 20 plus 3 equal to 23 upon 3. Now RHS, in RHS there is 7x upon 15 plus 3. So after solving this we have 7x plus 45 upon 15 because there is the 15 and we taken the LCM of 15 and 1, then we will get 15 and 7x as it is, and 15 multiplied by 3 equal to 45. Now we have to put the value of x also there, so I am putting directly there 10. Now 7 multiplied by 10, that means 7 multiplied by 10, that means 70 plus 45 upon 15. Now we have to add this. So we have 70 plus 45 equal to 115 upon 15. So we have to divide this by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, and there is 1 and 5, that means 23. So our answer in both LHS and RHS is 23 upon 2. So we can easily say that here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore our answer is correct. Similarly, you can do questions from this exercise. Rest of the questions are your homework. If you face any difficulty, then get back to me. Okay, thank you.